Hello everyone, Dr. Frank DiLollo. Here is your quick video as promised. I want to share something with you today that I think will absolutely benefit you and your life. And if I don't tell you, I feel like nobody else will. All right? So, you know when you go and you're deciding to go to a doctor, and if you have a tooth problem, you go to a dentist, right? If you have a dermatologist, a skin problem, you go to a dermatologist. If you have a joint problem, you might think to go to an orthopedist. Well, when you have a back issue or a neck issue or even sometimes a headache, people feel as though they might go to a chiropractor. Back and chiropractor go hand in hand, and I understand that. What you might not know is that going to a chiropractor and receiving a chiropractic adjustment helps your immune system. There was a study done back in 1992. Since 92, this stuff has been out there, where they actually they took blood. So they took blood, they measured the white blood cell count, and then they allowed the chiropractor to see the patient, did some adjustments, and then did the blood again and measured it. And the range increase in the white blood cell count, right? You know what your white blood cell count, your white blood cells do, and you know that your immune system helps fight disease and infection. The white blood cell count after the chiropractic adjustment went up in the range of anywhere from 200 to 400%. Did you hear what I just said? 200 to 400%. Okay, I was just reading this article in this article today about it, and I don't want to read this to you because it'll bore you to tears because it's very, very like techie and analytical. But that's the gist of that of this article. 200 to 400%. If you didn't know, now you know. Back in 1991, they did a study with HIV patients, people that had AIDS, and they found they were using the CD4 count. That's a marker in the blood that they measure to find out how a person's doing that has HIV or has AIDS. And they found out that the CD4 count went up by 48%. And in the group of people that didn't get an adjustment, their CD4 count actually went down 8%. So I hope that this will benefit you. I hope it does benefit you. I hope you realize that, you know, that alone, getting a chiropractic adjustment can be beneficial to you and change your life. Just this morning, I had people that were coming in with sinuses and allergies and change of season stuff and bronchitis and asthma and all these things. Can you imagine getting an adjustment and not one adjustment, but getting an adjustment, getting your spine stabilized, getting your nervous system up and running, and then getting once now and again or periodic follow-ups with a chiropractor and getting your nervous system, getting your spine adjusted so that your nervous system works correctly and get less frequent colds or less frequent sinus allergy or asthma type related symptoms because your immune system has increased and it is skyrocketing. Again, that 200 to 400% increase in your white blood cell count, not a bad thing. So that's what I wanted to share with you. That's what I don't think a lot of people know. You might not have known, and now you know, and I hope that it benefits you. Until next time, I'm Dr. Frank DiLollo. Go out and be your best self.